Don't move to Lekki, Lagos. But if you insist, well, grab your sunscreen and a thick wallet, cause it's time for reality check. And here are 12 delightful truths that might make you reconsider your decision. Number 1, traffic nightmare. Let's start with the traffic. In Lekki, rush hour is more like a never-ending saga, and you find yourself playing a game of how many podcasts can I watch in a single commute, where your car becomes your second home. So you have to get comfy with the snacks and half-finished books piled up in your back seat. That's if you have one. Just make sure to bring your patience, because it's the only thing that will get you through this epic delay. Another thing you need to consider when moving to Lekki, Lagos is the budget-busting living cost. Now let's talk money. Living in Lekki will have you questioning your life choices and budgeting skills. Even rent prices are a marvel in themselves. Thing is, if you are not ready to empty your pockets faster than you can say overpriced, you might want to stick to your current zip code. Number 3, power outage galore. Another major thing you need to consider is the power situation. Living in Lekki, Lagos means you are embracing the thrill of surprise outage, and you will quickly become an expert in candles and flashlights. And oh, forget about Netflix marathon. So you better have a backup plan, or you'll be left in the dark, literally and figuratively. Number 4, one of the major things you need to consider when moving to Lekki, Lagos: insecurity. Everyone's favorite topic. Moving to Lekki, Lagos means embracing the fact that you have to take extra precautions, because there are a lot of cases on kidnapping, theft, riots, and lots more. You have to be more vigilant anywhere you step in, and your eyes must be as sharp as a hawk watching its prey. Number 5, limited public transport. Public transportation. Good luck finding reliable bus that doesn't run on Nigerian time. You will spend more time trying to flag down a bus than actually getting anywhere. And the most amazing part is that if you think the bus will be less crowded, think again, because you have to be welcome to the human sardine can. Number 6, catastrophic drainage system. When it comes to rain, it's usually more than it means, because you'll be greeted with the sight of rivers where roads used to be, all thanks to the catastrophic drainage system. So if you are not strong enough to swim, don't think about moving to Lekki, Lagos. But if you still insist on moving to Lekki, Lagos, well, you don't need a pool, because you already have a front row seat to nature's watery chaos. Number 7, expensive rent. In Lekki, Lagos, you don't talk about rent casually. You refer to it with respect. Don't even get me started. Just expect to pay a king's ransom for a tiny apartment. So if you thought houses prices are steep elsewhere, Lekki will have you gasping in disbelief, and you will have no choice than to join the era of room sharing with strangers. Number 8, high temperature. Now let's talk weather. If you enjoy feeling like you are living inside an oven, then you will love Lekki's heavy heat. Air conditioning. That's a luxury you quickly realize you can't live without, unless you enjoy sweating in your own home. Except you are coming in with big fans and AC round the corner of your house, don't think about moving to Lekki, Lagos. But if you insist, get ready for those delightful moments of stepping outside and feeling like you just walked into hellfire. Number 9, desolate green space. If you are a lover of nature, think twice before moving to Lekki, Lagos. You love nature, right? I mean, who doesn't? But too bad. Green spaces in Lekki are as common as unicorn sighting, where your idea of outdoor fun will literally consist of a trip to the nearby mall or the crowded beach. But all I have to say is, good luck finding a patch of grass. Number 10, expensive schools and malls. Well, if you have a dozen kids, think twice, because moving to Lekki, Lagos is a no-go area. Because you might end up questioning if you are sending your child to a school or a luxury resort. Well, you can just sit and enjoy that lovely feeling of financial dread. Number 11, chaotic nightlife. Nightlife in Lekki, Lagos is like a roller coaster ride. exciting but chaotic. Sure, you can party till dawn, but don't expect to sleep peacefully afterward. And another thing is that you have to be cautious of the environment, because this is the time where kidnapping, riots, theft, robbery and everything takes place. Number 12, cultural clashes. Finally, brace yourself for cultural clashes, because Lekki is a melting pot for cultural background and beliefs, and navigating those waters might feel like walking through a minefield. So you better prepare for some enlightening yet awkward conversations. In conclusion, Lekki Lagos has its charm, but if you can't withstand this 12 delightful challenge, then you might have to rethink your decision. So unless you are ready for the roller coaster of a lifetime, you can consider a quiet, less chaotic area. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And promise from landproperty.ng, we specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to make smart future-proof investments right here in Lagos without stress. And with our expert guidance and in-depth market knowledge, you can confidently navigate the vibrant Lagos property landscape. So call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen now to turn your investment dream into reality today. And before you go, we've got other amazing content you will love. So be sure to check the next video and the recommended ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share and leave a comment with your thoughts below.